So we're at Booterstown Marsh on this Monday morning, and really somebody needs to take responsibility for these weeds. I mean, this could be a lovely pedestrian walkway leading down to the railway, and I don't know if it's a bit far-fetched to put a bridge over the railway. I don't know. You know, what a spectacular connection between Rock Road and the sea. But yeah, it'd be expensive. But in the meantime, they should just sort out this bramble and these weeds. It's really unsightly and dangerous as well. But this is what, just to give you an idea, this is what Blackrock Park would have looked like before the Kingstown Town Commissioners took over in the 1870s. And it took a number of years to reopen. It was just a marshland and wet marshland because of the embankment and causeway connecting the level crossing of Marion right down to Monkstown and beyond. I mean, it's quite an engineering feat, and it resulted in all this taking place here. So on the other side of Booterstown Station, you obviously had practically the start of Blackrock Park, from the Booterstown end leading down to Blackrock Park. And you can see the cliff edge cut around there as well, so it's kind of dropped the way it dropped down. But this is an indication of what it looked like. Up here is actually a telegraph pole left over from the pre-dart days. There would have been extensive work done here in the early 80s, putting in the overhead cables and just transforming the line into something we take for granted now. But 40 years ago we had a very primitive railway, but trains have been going up and down this line since 1834, so it's quite spectacular. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, Station to Station, and hopefully I'll do more videos more frequently, and I haven't been doing much in the last few months, so please subscribe. Thank you.